All right, people. Okay, let me step over. All right, let me give day number 2, or work day number 2 on the Honda project. I decided to get in here and take off what appeared to have been broken headlights, to take off fixtures so we could repair them. They're pretty much beyond repair. Also, I noticed the turn signals were broken, side markers are broken. The bumper had a big hole cut through it, ripped out of it. That needed to be replaced, so that's off. So I pretty much stripped the whole bit of the front end off this car. Recently I pulled off the intercooler. It's over there. It's going to have, as you can see, it looks pretty mashed up. I don't know if I'm going to use that again or I'm going to just replace that. And the radiator, and let me get out of the shadow here. From what you can see, the radiator looks pretty rough, in pretty bad shape. Got a lot of smashed in fins. There's one of the cooling fans I removed. Well, it's not removed, it's still wired in. But I got in here, I pulled all the stuff off the front because I wanted to get in to start working on this downpipe. And it looks like he welded this together after putting it into the car. He welded this pretty much from here. That's some of the welds have gotten into the Allen heads on these bolts, which making them difficult to get out. That's gonna be a little bit of work getting those off. So we'll keep working on that. Well, that's what on projects. I'm gonna pull that downpipe off and hopefully get room to, so we could put another radiator in here. As for the downpipe, there's a new one over here in the box, waiting to go in. So I have a replacement downpipe that supposedly will work real well for this car. I'm finding little things that go along. It looks like there's quite possibly a leak at the head here. I can see some oil there, some oil over here, down low. I don't know if that's coming from the valve cover or if maybe I have a bad head. Because like I said in the first video, that valve cover is only held on basically by Forma Seal. It, you know, it's, well, you can see that from here. Looks like, yeah, looks like somebody crinkled aluminum foil around to hold the valve cover down. He just sealed it and painted it. Thinking no one would notice. But it's coming along. The project's coming along nice. Hopefully, my goal is to get it ready for spring. Have it out there, functional. These are really the only mechanical issues I think I really got to handle right now. So, I'm going to let you go now and head on out. If you want to check up with me later about what's going on, come on back for the next video.